Hi, my name is Alex, and in this video I'll share the process of creating this character using the Human Generator add-on for Blender. As you can see, there are lots of different presets, so I'm going to choose one of the most basic ones. This is the base that we're going to start with, and first thing that we're going to adjust is the body type. You can choose from 3 basic body types: muscular, overweight, or skinny, or you can even mix them. There are lots of options to further refine the individual body parts, such as legs, arms, torso, etc. As you can see, there's even a specialized option that will make the character look more stylized. Under each category, there are lots of different sliders to further customize the character. You can adjust such options as width, length, thickness of each body part. Next, under the muscles category, you will find many sliders that will allow you to add more definition to the muscles. Next, we can see that there's an age slider, which will define how old a person may be. This will add a skin sagging effect, wrinkles along with some aging spots on the skin, and also these attributes can be adjusted all individually. As we move on to the face, you'll find lots of settings to further customize the look. These options will define the shape of the upper and lower skull, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, cheeks, jaw, chin, and others. So here I'm just taking the time to fine-tune the character's appearance. There are many options to go through in the customization process. Then I'm moving on to the ears. And then the nose. Here we can adjust the height, the length, and some of the features of the nose, such as the tip or the bridge of the nose. Then the lower skull options, and in the mouth we can create the shape of the lips. Some adjustment for the cheeks, and we'll make the jaw a little bit stronger. Also, here you can still change the ethnicity if you change your mind. The 3 main ethnicity presets include Asian, Black, and Caucasian. In the next step, we'll quickly adjust the height of the character. The skin settings provide controls over the tone, redness, and saturation of the skin. You can also turn on the subsurface scattering, which will make the skin more lifelike. Also, here you can still select the texture of the skin, which will define its complexion. The hair library contains numerous pre-made hairstyles for both male and female characters. The hair color can also be adjusted here. Next, salt and pepper options can be added to make the character feel more mature. There is a selection of basic clothing and footwear to complete the look. The clothing pieces have the options to overlay patterns and customize the colors. When you are done with the character customization, you can add a pose to bring it to life. There is a library of ready-to-use poses. Additionally, a full Rigify rig can be added as well. The Expressions library provides options for adding facial expressions to the character. This can be done with the one-click option or with the facial rig, which will provide more control. Once you are done, let's render the character with the Cycles render engine to see the final look.